In order to truly understand other people, we have to see the world through their eyes, from their perspective. By understanding their perceptions, we can better understand why they behave the way that they do and potentially help them make any necessary changes. In order to make better decisions, we have to recognize our own perceptual biases and the decision-making errors that plague us every day. Learning about these problems, of course, doesn't always make them go away. It takes practice to manage them and mitigate their negative consequences. It also helps for managers to understand the organization's culture and the national culture in order to be able to adjust their decision-making approach to fit the situation. Use both rational, logical analysis and intuition. Consider too the fairness of how resources are distributed, how people are treated, and how information is shared. Their perceptions of fairness can have a major impact on how they interact with their work, other people, and the organization.